All right, so today we're going to make a sculpture. Sculpture is artwork that is not flat. So this will be fun. Take your long orange strips out. You should have at least 4 of them, okay? You're gonna do this one at a time. You're going to fold your strips of paper in half. Match up the ends, then fold it in half so we can find the middle. That helps us. So there's the middle of the first one. And here's the second one. And the third. And the fourth. So now I'm going to find my glue bottle. And here it is. When we open the glue, you just twist it a little bit, make the white part pop down in. Squeeze it. Oh, can you breathe yet? Make sure you can hear it breathe. I can see it breathe now. I'm going to take my first strip. I'm going to open it up all the way. And I'll put this down on the table so you guys can see it. I'm going to put one little dot right on the fold like that. Okay? It's not a lot. It's just a dot. When we glue, we don't have to use a ton of glue. We just need a little bit to make it go. Then I take my second paper. I unfold it. Here's my fold line right here. I'm going to match it up with the first one. Only this time it's making a T. Do you see my T happening? I'll move this to the board so you guys can see my T after I hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, we're going up to the board so you guys can see it on the board. So, here is my T. Look up your magnets. It's in good shape. So, then I take my third strip. You're going to do the same thing again. You're going to put a dot of glue right in the middle where they're overlapping or touching. And I'm going to make my fold line on this one touch my glue dot. Diagonal, going across. Just like this. All right? Then I take my fourth one, open it up. Here's my fold line. I'm going to put a dot of glue in the middle here. This time I'm going to make my diagonal line go the opposite way. So it's making an X. Hold it down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have what looks like a star. And that's great for building a pumpkin. So what I do is I take my glue bottle and I take this strip of paper. Pick it up, pull it over, and I put one dot of glue on the top of it. Because if you look here, you can see glue is on top. So then I take it straight across and I let it hug. And I hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I made a circle. That's pretty cool. So next I will take, say this one over here, one of my diagonals. And I will put one dot of glue on top of my circle. Right there where they were touching and they got stuck together. Then my third strip gets to sit on top of all that. I hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I just keep repeating this, putting a dot in the middle, right on top of the pile. Not a lot, just a dot. And then I stick it down for 10 seconds. And you'll see that my pumpkin is starting to become not flat or 3D. That's a fun word for you, for a fun phrase. It's not really a fun word. It's a phrase. So then, I do a bit of glue. There's one more leg I can stick on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. Woohoo! It's getting heavy. My pumpkin's really forming. So, now, I'll do one more, then I'll have to take it down, I think, because it's just getting kind of awkward. So one dot, hold it for 10. While I'm holding it, I'm going to take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 2 legs left. So I take my glue. I put one dot of glue on top. Then I take out of the leg, and I put it right on top too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I put my final dot of glue. And I bring that last leg up. Now, what we've created is a paper sphere. That just means it's a circle. It's a 3D circle and not flat circle. And the last thing I'm going to do is find that green paper that I provided you with, and you are going to create a stem. Now my green paper is a little bit different because, you know, I can't find it, don't know where it went. But you're going to take it. This is kind of tricky, guys. You're going to curl it around. You're going to just cut with scissors or fold. Let's fold instead, yeah. You're going to fold it in half. Then bring it up and just make a stem. So here it is. I'm going to fold the bottom up and I'll put a little bit of glue on this bottom part. Yeah, and that was just half my paper too. Because I can save the other half. I can make a leaf for it then. Took me a second. Okay, but there is the stem on my pumpkin. Okay. So I want you to make a pumpkin and take a picture of your pumpkin for me.